Hello everyone, you are welcome to yet another class where we try to help JAMB students as well as WAEC students. Here, we need to learn how to derive angle 45, 30 and 60 degree under trigonometric ratio of special angles. Because when you get into the example and you perchance forget what angle sine 45 degree is in third form. So here, for students to achieve that, you assume that this side is 1 and this side is also 1. Now, by applying Pythagoras theorem, by applying Pythagoras theorem, what are you going to have? You see that the side that is opposite this angle is the opposite. This is our angle 90. So this side that is opposite the angle 90 is the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse raised to power 2 is equals to opposite raised to power 2 plus adjacent raised to power 2. So this side is the opposite, this is the adjacent, and this is the what? The hypotenuse. Now let's move on. We want to get this side in order to derive sine 45, cos 45 and tan 45. Now let's move on. We said the hypotenuse, let's assume the hypotenuse is given as x. So we are going to have x raised to power 2 is equals to 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 raised to power 2. 1 raised to power 2 will give us 1. Then this one is also 1. So x raised to power 2 is equals to 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now when you have a situation in which x squared is equals to 2, just take this away now and just build square roots over the 2. Hence, our hypotenuse is equals to 2. This side becomes 2. We write root 2 for this side. Let's delete the x now, having known the side. So this side is what? Root 2. Now, by applying SOHCAHTOA, we want to apply SOHCAHTOA. So let's apply SOHCAHTOA. We have gotten our answer to be root 2. Let's apply SOHCAHTOA. Now, when you are looking for sine 45 degree, we know that for sine of an angle, opposite over hypotenuse, we have opposite over hypotenuse. Remember, how are you going to know opposite here? The opposite is the side that is facing the angle under consideration. We are considering angle 45 degree. The side that is facing it is the opposite. So this side is our opposite. Then the longest side, or the side that is facing angle 90, is the hypotenuse. And when you have three things, the third, you have gotten 2 out of them, the third side is the adjacent. Now, what's our opposite here? Opposite is 1. Our hypotenuse is root 2. Therefore, sine 45 degree is equals to 1 over root 2. Now let's move on to get our cos 45 degree. To get cos 45 degree, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. We have adjacent over hypotenuse. What's our adjacent here? What's our adjacent? Adjacent is 1. The hypotenuse is root 2. So adjacent is 1 over root 2. Therefore, cos 45 degree is also 1 over root 2. Now, to get our tan 45 degree now, remember, using SOHCAHTOA, the tan of an angle is opposite over adjacent. Where is our opposite? This is the opposite. This is the side that is facing angle 45 degree. The angle under consideration is 45 degree. So the side that is facing it is the opposite. And the value here is what? So let's write it again. for the sake of repetition is learning. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Our opposite is what? 1. While adjacent is what? 1. Therefore, tan 45 degree is equals to 1. Now, summarily, our sine 45 is the same as cos 45 degree, which is equals to 1